Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I wanted to start here because the trend is definitely up on the weekly, it's definitely up on the daily, and it's definitely up on the 4-hour. Now, if it breaks structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, I would turn bearish. I would start looking for shorts on shorter time frames. But to me, it looks like this is an A. It looks like this is possibly all a wave B, like a 1, 2, 3, a B, and then this is like a wave C. If that is an ABC correction, then it will not break structure to the downside at a fib level. It will go up and make new highs on at least this 4-hour time frame. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, definitely still get a long bias. Definitely do not have a break of structure down at a Fibonacci level yet. And like I said, if this is the end of a pullback right here, it will go up and make new highs. If it does like a double top, then breaks structure to the downside very impulsively, then I would definitely go back to looking for shorts. But if it doesn't do that, then enjoy the trend because the trend is up on the weekly, up on the daily. So why not enjoy the trend and keep on looking for longs? So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.